Hello, welcome to the tabs and icons video. In this particular training, we're going to look at report quick fix using the quick access tool in Microsoft Excel. My name is Karo Ezuzu. Let's go to our data. Now we have this data. We're just going to do some basic report, but rather than pass through the ribbon, we're going to look at the Excel quick fix. Now the quick fix can do a lot of things that many users have actually not thought of using that particular route. Now, let me highlight this data. And first, the moment you highlight your data, you will notice a little box here, and that box is called the quick analysis tool. Now, if I click on that quick analysis tool, there are a lot of things I can do here. Rather than going through the ribbon, you can look at this now. I can see I can easily fix a time bar. I can actually use the chart color. I can also put the icon tab and also use this to create a conditional format. It's saying I want items below, or let's say greater than 500. I just type 500 here, and all items greater than 500 automatically highlighted. I want items greater than 600. I type 600 here, and automatically all my items are highlighted. This is the quick analysis tool that is faster than passing through the ribbon tab. Now, let me go off this and look at other aspects of the quick analysis tool. Let's look at charting. I can come here and say chart. Now, I want to create a chart. All I need to do is highlight this, and I have created a column chart. Now, if I had highlighted the whole of this, let me highlight this, and I go to chart, you see, just placing my cursor on this, I've created a line chart for this, and I can now begin to dress my line chart. Now, I want to go out of that place. I click here, go back to chart, and say I can create a scatter chart here. I go out of this, back to the quick analysis tool, and you can see a lot of other things I can create. Let me look at chart. I can even create a cluster chart with like a column chart there, and I can create a stack chart here. I've created a stack chart. I click on this one. I can actually say this is okay. Come down here. I can select any of these items I want. So this is how easy it is to use the quick analysis tool in Microsoft Excel. Let's look at other items we can create there. Let's come to totals. If you click on totals, now I can take the sum here to say the sum of this is 5874. I can take the average of these figures just coming here. I can take the count, how many items we have. We have 10. I can take percentage. Now, I can also take the running total. Let me click here, and you see other items I can take. I can take a sum here. Let me go down to running total. I can click here, and I have a running total here. Now, this running total is something you have to start putting in Excel function equal to this plus that, you begin to drag down. Now, all those things can be done with the quick analysis tool by very easily. Now, let me go to the next table here. Now, look at the table I have here. I'm going to highlight the whole of this one. Okay, I'm going to highlight the whole of this. Rather than come to my ribbon, I'm just going to my quick analysis toolbar, and I'm coming to totals. Now, when I click on totals, you can see I can create a total at this edge, and I can also create a total at this edge. Total here will give me total for each of the staff, and total here will give me total for each of the months. So let me see how I'm going to do that with the quick analysis tool. I come here, I go to total, and the first thing I see, look at, I have total here. That is the total. And I come here again under total. I move to this side, and I have the sum here. So very easy to create this sum using the quick analysis toolbar. Now let me insert a column here and move this sum back and create here a spark line. Now let me create a spark line here. Rather than go through the ribbon, I'm just going to come here, and I go straight to my spark line, and it depends on what I want to select. I can select this, and I've created my spark line, so I can just do whatever I want to do to it, and this is my spark line. So very easy to use. Now, another thing I can also do is percentage of each column. Let me delete the whole of this one. My sparkline won't delete unless I have to do it manually this way. Okay, fine. I'm going to delete this. Okay, and I want to get percentage contribution. Now, if I want to get percent contribution, actually this value divide by the sum of this one. This is what I will do. Let me hold this fixed. Yeah, okay. Is that clear? Okay, I think so. Okay, fine, that's 16%. So if I copy this down, you can see this is what I will do to get the percentage contribution. But with the quick analysis toolbar, I don't need that. I just come here and I come to totals. When I come to totals, I move to the right, you see percentage total. So all I need is just to click on this and I'm done. Very easy, very fast, and very efficient. This is how to use the quick analysis toolbar. There are a lot of other things that it can do, but for now, thank you very much for listening and bye-bye.